All right, here's a question for you, Steve. Is the only difference between a 604 and a 602 the cubic inches, or is there more?
No, the cubic inches are exactly the same. The 604 has aluminum heads, a roller cam, roller lifters, different pistons completely. It's a little bit different compression ratio. The 602 is the polar opposite. It's steel head, steel block, flat tappet cam, flat tappet lifters, obviously. A little bit lower on compression ratio, different piston yet than what the 604 has. The cranks now are very similar. The rods are the same. The only similarity they actually share is going to be the rods in the block, essentially.
Okay. Now, the 602 really is your classic Chevy 350. I mean,
the 602 is essentially a Vortec pickup truck motor, with a different cam in it and obviously different oil pan and stuff like that. But essentially, that's what it is.
Gotcha.
Where the 604 is a little bit more race oriented, technically, than what a 602 would be.
Well, I mean, was the 604 ever put into a production vehicle?
No, not at all.
So it was specifically developed just for racing.
I don't know if the heads may have been used on something. I'm not sure, but
that's the Vortec heads, right?
No, the 604's got the aluminum heads.
Oh, the aluminum heads.
Yeah,
okay.
Those heads may have been used on something.
The fast burn heads.
What it would have been, I don't know.
Right, fast burn heads on the 604. Okay.